Make money, oh. Jesus.
Help us. Follow me.
Follow you. Yeah, Doctor. What is it now? You said I should follow you, that I should help you. What is going on here? Because I'm confused. And I saw you passing through doors.
Please, help us.
How?
Follow me.
To where? Hey. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Do not be afraid. Help us.
But how did you guys get here?
The same way you got here.
Huh?
We came here because of money. Someone hooked us up with that man for one night stand. And we ended up like this. And you might also end up like this. You need to help us. Please.
But how?
You need to remove the carries from the idol.
No, I can't. I can't.
Please. Nothing will happen to you.
Are you sure nothing will happen to me? I don't understand.
Just do it. Please.
Jesus Christ. I woke up back on do. I woke up back on do. Back on do. Just get my like this. Jesus Christ.
Thank you for helping us.
How do I get her from this place?
You just have to play along.
How?
You have to place that carries on his neck. It would render him powerless.
That's all.
Yes, that's all. I want you to find something better to do with your life. Because not all guys out there get their money genuinely. Look at how we ended up. Others might end up that way too.
I will change, I promise.
Thank you for saving us.
This kind of life I'm even living. Other girls are working out to make money. I'm here selling my body, God. If you save me from this place, I promise I will never do this thing again. I will change, I promise. I will change. Jesus.
Yeah, this lady. Yeah. Woman, where have you been?
I went to look for. I was looking for the restroom.
So, what have you got to do in that other room?
No, I was looking for the restroom, so I don't know.
You are looking for the restroom. You should have asked me.
I'm sorry.
You just don't go about walking in this house. So.
Sorry.
It's to the other side.
Chief, calm down. I'm sorry. I thought the restroom was over there.
It's at the other side.
Oh,
okay. Go. Yes.
No problem now. Maybe we should just go to your bedroom. Then I will bathe, clean up, then make you happy.
Okay, you should have said that one earlier. I trust you.
No, at least your house after you.
Okay, no problem. Ha! Lady! Lady! What have you done? What have you done? What's the meaning of this? Ah!